Hey, what is going, guys? Hold on, let me just read. Hey, what is going, guys? It's your boy King Nuke, back at it again with another video. So, if you didn't know, I'm a huge fan of FaZe Rain, and today some drama, well, not really drama, but something came out on him about smoking the marijuana. Okay, the marijuana. I'll edit in the clip right here. Okay, I'm gonna edit in the clip right now. Sorry.
Ay, deuce pulled up right, drum my Xanax in my Sprite, slime my main bitch shot a Sprite, throw me through a check all night. I'm on smash, never silent, all I know is getting rowdy, stacking paper, flexing, guala. What you talking, nigga? It don't matter. What you talking, nigga? It don't matter. What you talking, nigga?